everyone. Welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula. I am Jo. I went for this amazing walk today in the morning and it was beautiful. Along with it, I spotted 3 deers and I had to take a pause to admire how beautiful nature is, and I had an up-close encounter. So I can't tell you how cute they were, and I had the best start of the day with that spotting. So welcome everyone. Today we are diving into a dish that is as vibrant as it is comforting, Ratatouille. This classic provincial recipe from the south of France turns simple everyday vegetables into a colorful, aromatic masterpiece. It is a traditional dish made with eggplants, zucchini, bell peppers, tomatoes and fresh herbs. So Ratatouille celebrates beauty of seasonal produce and slow, thoughtful cooking. favorite time, tasting time. So I will take a nice bite of the entire. But one thing I've realized is the 5 to 6 hours, this long cooking time makes the vegetables so tender that they literally melt in your mouth. The vegetables, oh my god, all the vegetable lovers will fall in love with this dish for one reason, and that is how beautifully the vegetables melt in your mouth. They're like butter. They just disappeared in like a second. It's worth it. I mean, I was like, should I do this recipe? It takes 6 hours. Is it worth it? What if it doesn't turn out well? But it is worth every second that I spent in my kitchen making this dish. I'm so stumped with the taste and the dish right now. I don't have words to express. All I can say is my today's 2 cents is from Remy's famous line, if you are what you eat, then I only want to eat the good stuff. One more line from Anton Ego, not everyone can become a great artist, but a great artist can come from anywhere. Enjoy the weekend. Happy start of an amazing Thanksgiving holidays, and see you guys on Wednesday at 9 a.m. PST. Until then, bye.